Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make a video private on your channel. So making a video private, people are not going to see it, but you can share with them privately, and then you can also unlist a video. That's people are not going to see it here too as well, but then if they get a link of the video they can watch the video, something like that. Let me show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to make this video private. This recent upload here, I'm going to make it private. So now let's move to our backend, which is our YouTube studio. You can see it here. And then I open the preferred video here, and now I move to the visibility. You can see it's private. When I turn it to public, I just need to click on the done and then I save it. Good. It's something like this. So now it's public. Now let me turn it to a private video. So now I move to the visibility once again here, and then I choose the private here. So private, you can share it privately, something like that. And now I click on the done here, and then I save it. So let's say you are now uploading a video, but then you want to make it private, or you want to, you don't want to schedule it, but you just want to make it private. So after uploading everything, at the later part of the video, the visibility part, you just choose the private and then you save it, something like that. It's going to be private. Nobody is going to get access to view that video unless you give them a link or you give them the access to view it on your channel. So that's it on how you can turn a video or a public video to private video on your channel. So if you are new here, try your best to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.